Online platform also facilitates seamless cross-border shopping, allowing consumers to access global fashion trends and purchase products from overseas. The online fashion market in China has not only benefited established fashion brands but has also provided opportunities for emerging designers, small businesses, and niche fashion segments. E-commerce platforms have democratized the industry, allowing a diverse range of players to showcase their designs and connect with a wider audience. This has fueled creativity, innovation, and healthy competition within the Chinese fashion landscape. Furthermore, the online fashion market has facilitated cross-border trade, enabling Chinese consumers to access global fashion trends and purchase products from overseas. This has not only expanded consumer choices but has also opened up opportunities for international fashion brands to enter the Chinese market and tap into the growing demand. The online fashion market in China has also driven technological advancements and digital transformation within the fashion industry. Retailers have invested in advanced analytics, artificial intelligence, and virtual reality technologies to enhance the online shopping experience. These innovations have allowed for personalized product recommendations, virtual try-ons, and an interactive shopping features, creating a more engaging and immersive experience for consumers. The impact of the online fashion market extends beyond sales and revenue growth. It has also influenced consumer behavior and shaped fashion trends. With the proliferation of social media and fashion influencers, Chinese consumers have become more style-conscious and eager to embrace new trends. Online platforms have become the go-to source for fashion inspiration and style guidance, empowering individuals to express their unique fashion identities. The online fashion market in China has also contributed to job creation and economic growth. The growth of e-commerce platforms has resulted in the demand for logistics services, customer support, digital marketing, and other related industries, generating employment opportunities across the country. However, as the online fashion market continues to evolve, challenges and considerations arise. Counterfeit products, intellectual property rights, and data privacy are some of the issues that need to be addressed to ensure a fair and secure online shopping environment. Continuing with the discussion on the online fashion market in China, it is important to highlight the significant role it has played in the overall development of the fashion industry in the country. First and foremost, the online fashion market has provided a platform for brands to reach a wider audience and expand their customer base. This has allowed both established fashion labels and emerging designers to showcase their collections and increase brand visibility, without the limitations of physical stores. Online platforms have enabled these brands to connect directly with consumers, build brand loyalty, and gather valuable customer feedback, leading to improved product offerings and customer satisfaction. Moreover, the online fashion market has contributed to the democratization of fashion in China. It has provided opportunities for smaller, independent brands to compete on a level playing field with larger, well-established fashion houses. This has encouraged diversity, creativity, and innovation within the industry, as consumers now have access to a wide range of unique and niche fashion offerings. Online marketplaces have also created a space for local artisans and craftsmen to showcase their traditional skills and heritage, preserving and promoting China's rich cultural heritage through fashion. The online fashion market has also fostered collaborations and partnerships between brands, influencers, and celebrities. Social media platforms have become a powerful tool for brands to engage with their target audience and leverage the influence of key opinion leaders, cults, and celebrities.